In this video, I'm going to show you how to save changes in Elementor. So in order to save the changes you have made, you first need to head over to elementor.com. Make sure that you're logged in, or if you don't have an account yet, click on the This Get Started. You also need to head over right here to your WordPress. Make sure that you're logged in, and if you don't have an account, head over and click on the This Get Started in order to create an account yourself. On my case, I already have an account, so let's head over right here. This is my actual page that I have created. So onto this part, let's see first what it will look like right now. So let's head over and click onto this view page option, and as you can see, this will open in here this. So on our case, we have in here the title, this sheet text, as well as this chip. Let's head over and add some more things. So for example, let's add an image, and let's head over and choose in here an image that we wish to use. I'll head over and choose this and click on select. Now this image has been added, but it's not yet reflected into this part. So what we can do in order to save the change without publishing it is by clicking onto this arrow down icon right here in order to open the save options. In here, just head over and click onto this save draft. Once you have done that, this will save the draft of it. So even if you refresh your page, we can still have this particular element, but it won't appear yet into this part. If you wish to publish it, you can click onto this publish option, or you can also save this as a template if you would want as well. So you can have a lot of options that you wish to use right here and you wish to do. So just head over and choose which one you actually want to do. So that's how you save changes in Elementor. I hope this video actually helped you out.